Well, hi, everyone. Thanks for coming to WeAreIowa.com for your weather forecast. We've got a winter storm coming into northern Iowa through the day on Saturday and lingering maybe into Saturday night with some light snow. The hardest hit area is this winter storm warning area, and that's probably going to be northwest Iowa, north central Iowa, mainly north of Highway 20 is where we're expecting that heaviest band of snow to develop. Further to the south, it's a pretty sharp cutoff, so we have a winter weather advisory just for one row of counties along Highway 30. South of that, very little snow is expected. Probably not zero, but very little. Let's talk about the breakdown of this forecast here. And we are going to see the clouds increasing as we go through Friday night. The wind's not too terribly strong Friday night, so that's good. As we get into Saturday, 3 a.m., the snow starts to creep into northwest Iowa first, and then it spreads its way across the northern half of the state Saturday morning. Again, we may not see much snow during the day here Saturday. Our best chance might be toward the evening hours as we see some redevelopment here in central Iowa. So that snow continues possibly into the evening hours for central Iowa, snow showers. Then it clears out, and look how cold it's going to get. Temperatures falling here into the single digits, even below zero Sunday morning. And during the day Sunday, it'll struggle. Even with some sun shining, temperatures in the single digits most of the day out there. Well, let's talk about that snowfall amount. And again, we're looking north of Highway 20, 4 to 8 inches, maybe isolated areas more than that. So it's going to be a fairly fluffy snow because the air is colder. And here I'm looking at a trace to maybe 2 inches on the north side of the metro. You might see somebody get close to 2 inches, but the south side will be less than that. And here's what we got for you on the future cast for wind chills. It is going to get very cold out there. Kind of chilly out there tonight, but really getting going. And Saturday, we got single-digit wind chills all day. And then Saturday night, watch out, this cold air really comes down. Behind that snowfall, we are going to see those winds increasing a little bit. Could be some blowing snow, but those wind chill values will be 10 to 20 below in many areas Sunday morning. During the day, it stays below zero all day for wind chill values. For tonight, colder but calmer. At least the wind's not a problem for your Friday night. Low near 13 degrees. That snow moving in Saturday as we go through the day. And the heaviest will be near or north Highway 20. Getting close to 20 degrees here, a lot colder to the north and a little bit milder to the south. As we go into next week, we've got some cold weather to start off with. We got 8 and then 7 for a high. We do get into the 20s or teens here for several days. Looks like Groundhog Day is going to be a fairly cold, dry day. And it does look like we will start to see some moderation and milder weather by next weekend.